Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of unit 2. We're going to look at algebraic fractions. Now that you've mastered expansion and factorization, it should be easy now to apply that into our algebraic fractions. So this is purely for extended. Okay. So for example, if I have 4 over x plus 2 like that, minus 3 over x plus 3. Okay. So remember what I was teaching you there. So you multiply the 2. So if I multiply the 2, I'm going to have x plus 2 brackets x plus 3. That's my denominator. Don't expand it, leave it like that. Then multiply that by that, multiply that by that. Okay. So if I multiply that by that, I'm going to have 3 brackets x plus 2. Okay. Then I'll multiply 4, multiplying that. I'm going to have, remember this 4 is a positive. Okay, this 3 was a negative, so my apologies, minus 3. Then this becomes plus 4 brackets x plus 3. Okay. Now let's remove the brackets. This is a negative, so it gives you a minus 3x, minus 6, okay, plus 4x plus 12, or over the same bracket x plus 2 brackets x plus 3. Okay. Now negative, we rearrange, okay, or like terms together. So this is minus 3x plus 4x minus 6 plus 12 over x plus 2 brackets x plus 3. Okay, which simplifies to minus 3 plus 4, that's a negative, so it's minus x minus that plus 6, or over x plus 2 brackets x plus 3. So normally when it comes in exams, it will be 4 marks, 3 marks. So it's good to master that. It's good to practice as many as possible. Let's look at something different. So I have x minus 4 over 2, let's say, plus x minus 2 over 3. I'll multiply the denominators, then I get 6. Then I cross multiply that, then I'll have 2 brackets x minus 2 plus the brackets x minus 4. Okay, then I remove the brackets, I'll get 2x minus 4 plus 3x minus 12, all over 6. Then I group like terms together, which is simply 2x plus 3x minus 4 minus 12, all over 6. Then if I add that, I'll get 5x, I'm increasing the negative direction, minus 16 all over 6. Okay. Let's look at another example where, okay, let's say 5 over x, okay, sorry, 5 over 2x minus 1, let's say minus, okay, x plus 1, we're doing it for a purpose, over x minus 1. Okay. Multiply the 2, that will give us x minus 1 brackets x minus 1, okay, like that. Denominator, cross multiply, Now, because these are two terms like this, well, expansion now, and that is what? Always a negative. Well, if I want, I can put the negative there. Then this will be x plus 1. That's where I wanted you to be careful. Then if you multiply that, it's a positive, so it's 5 brackets x minus 1. So that negative 1 there, negative there, affects what you get there. You multiply by that negative from this term. So if you multiply that by that, so in brackets saying negative brackets, if I want like that, if I multiply that, that gives me 2x squared. If you multiply this, you get minus x. See this? So 2x squared minus x. If you multiply this and that, it gives you plus 2x. If you multiply that and that, it gives you minus 1. Okay, like that. Okay, you remove the brackets there, you get 5x minus 5. Like that. Same bracket, x minus 2 factor of x minus 1. If you solve this, that gives you positive x. Okay, so if I want, okay, simply minus brackets 2x squared plus x minus 1 plus 5x minus 5. Okay, let's solve that first. Remove the brackets there, or solve the denominator later. That will give us negative 2x squared minus x plus 1, okay, plus 5x minus 5. How do you solve that? That and that, grouping like terms, that and that. So it's as good as it's minus 2x squared minus x plus 5x plus 1 minus 5. Now that can be solved. What will be the final answer? Minus 2x squared. That and that gives us positive 4x. The last one. Okay. We left out the positive 1 there. So it was minus 5 plus 1, which gives us minus 4. So minus 4 all over 2x brackets. Sorry about that. So we are saying negative 2x squared plus 4x minus 4 all over 2x minus 1 brackets x minus, like that. Okay, now let's look at another example. So this is just for you to practice algebraic fractions and all that. So let's say we have a over a plus 1 minus 2 over a minus 1. So if you multiply the two, we're going to have a plus 1 brackets a minus 1. Okay, multiply that, you're going to have minus 2 brackets a plus 1. Okay, multiply that by that, you're going to positive a brackets a minus 1. Okay, let's remove the brackets. We're going to have minus 2a, so negative 2a there, minus 2 plus a squared minus a all over a plus 1 factor of a minus 1. Okay, how do you remove the brackets there? Okay, if you want, you can group like terms. We start with a squared, one life to be easy. Then you will have minus 2a minus a, then you end with the number minus 2, like that, brackets a plus 1, factor of a minus 1. Okay, then that, remember this is a negative, so this is a squared minus 3a minus 2, brackets over a plus 1, factor of a minus 1. Now when you have that, you should not be quick to say this is the final. Can we factorize this? That's what you need to ask yourself. So minus 2, unfortunately if it was positive 2 it would factorize, but we can't, so we leave it like that. Okay, thank you.